Hi, Foundations friends. Just me and Mama Echo here. She's keeping an eye on everybody all around her. And she said that baby Echo isn't feeling so well today. So baby Echo's staying at home because we are all doing our part that if we're not feeling well, we want to take care of ourselves and those around us. So today it's going to be Mama Echo doing our lesson. How exciting. And it's super exciting because we're going to be adding our last two letters. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and do the letters that we already know. Since it's Mama Echo and not Baby, she'll turn her head and look at you when she needs you to echo. A apple A. B bat B. C cat K. D dog D. E ed E. F fun F. G game G. H hat I itch I. J jug J. K kite K. L lamp L. M man M. N nut N. O octopus Ah. P pan P. R rat R. S snakes. T top T. U up V van V. W wind W. X fox X. Y yellow Y. Bravo, great job everybody. Now for the missing letters. Take a look at this one here. This is Q. Now you'll notice it's not just Q, it's QU. And U is the Q's buddy because Q doesn't like to go anywhere without his buddy. So the U doesn't count as a vowel, it just counts as the buddy for the Q. And the picture for this one is a queen. So when we use this sound card to help us remember the sound, we say QU, queen, qua. And we can add up our standard card. There it is, the Q and its buddy U. And we've been saving this spot right here for the QU. Okay, when we say our alphabet, we won't say QU, we'll just say Q. The U's there just to remind you that in almost all words in our English language, the U comes after its buddy. Okay, let's practice that one with Mama. QU, queen, qua. Great job. And our very last letter of the alphabet is the letter Z. Our picture is a zebra. Oh, look what I have. Here's our zebra. And the sound in the beginning of zebra is Z. Let's try it. Z, zebra, Z. Great. Let's add our standard card to finish off our alphabet. There we go. And let's practice that again with Mama. Z, zebra, Z. Great. So our last two cards we added were both yellow because they're consonants, and that U doesn't count as a vowel. These are consonants. Wow, we have our alphabet complete. Round of applause. Great job out there. Okay, little readers and writers, it's time for us to do the letter. What letters did we add today? That's right, the letters Y and Z, learning how to write them. So we will do some skywriting, my friends. Wait a second, not Y and Z. This is what happens when I pause my video and then continue. That was so yesterday, you guys. Today we're doing Q and Z. All right, let's do Q first. So Q is a plain line round letter. So that means it starts on the play line. And remember that Q's the buddy letter to U. So in the end, it usually wants to point up to its buddy. I'll show you what I mean by that. We point to the plane line. We trace back and go down to the grass line and back to the plane line, kind of like an A. Trace back down to the worm line and point up to his buddy, U, because usually the U goes right there. So let's skywrite this, my friends. Arms nice and straight. Here we go. Can you see the Q? Okay, let's have it shoot out blue. Everyone point to the plane line. Trace back and go down to the grass line and back up to the plane line. Trace down to the worm line and point up to his buddy U. Q-U, queen, qua. Okay, let's go ahead now. Pick the side that's comfortable for you. Challenge yourself if you can to try this side. That marker is not working very well. Let's try another one for you. Point to the plane line, trace back, go down to the grass line, around to the plane line, trace back down to the worm line, and point up to the U. Q-U, queen, qua. Q-U, queen, qua. Q-U, queen, qua. Go ahead and pause and do your whole row. Well, how'd you guys do? Okay, circle your favorite one and keep working on these if you need to, if they're not feeling smooth yet. And now for that last letter, the Z. Okay, the Z is a plain line slide letter, but it doesn't slide right away. Let me show you what I mean. Where does it start? On the plane line. So before it slides, it goes on the plane line. So we point to the plane line, we go on the plane line, we slide back to the grass line, then go on the grass line. Z, zebra, Z. And here's our zebra friend. Zzz. One more. Point to the plane line, go on the plane line, slide back to the grass line, then go on the grass line. Z, zebra, Z. Let's skywrite this, my friends. On set, get ready. Here we go. Repeat after me and visualize these Z's in your sky. Point to the plane line. Go on the plane line. Slide back to the grass line. Go on the grass line. Z, zebra, Z. Nice job. Go ahead and practice your whole row of Z's. Pause. Don't forget to pause so you can take your time. You're back. What does your Z say? Zzz. Great. Okay, and now it's that time where we need to find the sounds. So, repeat after me. Ooh. What says ooh? L. Can you please write an L? Check it to mine. If at any point these letters are hard for you to write, pause this video and practice them. The one that's hard. Say G. What letter says G? The G. Let me see your G. Make sure it goes down to the worm line and makes a hook. Repeat after me. Qua. What letter says qua? The QU. Show me your QU. Beautiful. Repeat after me. X. What letter says X? X. Show me your X. Check it to mine. Very nice job, my friends. Repeat after me. A. What letter says A? A. Check your A. Let's do one more. V. What letter says V? V. Show me your V. A nice slide letter. Okay, here's a challenge for you. Can you write all the letters for me that are slide letters? Anything that is a slide. So kind of go through and see, does it have any slides? Hmm. 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 Write all those slide letters for me. And I want to show you a little secret. In the back of your student notebook, all of the plain line slide letters, all the letters are in categories based on the types. So here they all are. Did you get them all? I'll hold up mine for you to see. Kind of went in a funky order. But what did you notice about the order? Did you notice anything? Yeah, it's the last 5 letters of the alphabet. All have slides, plain line slides. V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, that's a good way to remember it. All right, my friends, the very last thing that we are going to do today is add those 2 last letters to our student notebook. So they're both yellow. We know they're both consonants. So let's look in the consonants. It should be easy to find because they'd be the only ones that aren't colored right now. So there's the QU. That's the letter's name, Q. What's the picture for QU? Queen. And what's the sound? Qu. It kind of sounds like a K and a W together. Qu. And you can color that queen. And then our very last letter on the last part of it, what's the letter's name? Z. What's the keyword? Zebra. And what's the sound? Z. Excellent job, everybody. Mama Echo is going to take good care of baby Echo, and I'm sure baby Echo will be back next time. Have a good day.